turn your body that way. And then, like, on the count of 3, like, turn in. Hi, and welcome to another
It Reuben.
With me, Detective Brock Rocket.
And me, Tyler. Did I mess up the bit? I guess
it's fine.
Did I screw up the bit?
1, 2, 3.
Oh, wait, I went too early.
2, 3. Hi, and welcome to another riveting episode
of It Reuben.
With your hosts, Detective Brock Rocket.
And this guy,
Tyler.
Tyler. Both of us.
A simple suggestion becomes a question, becomes a lifelong pursuit.
Will it, Reuben?
Will it?
Could it, Reuben? Will it, Reuben?
I don't know. We should find out.
Should it, Reuben?
Let's Reuben it. Roll.
Oh, what'd she make? It's a surprise.
It's beer cheese.
It's beer cheese.
Beer cheese.
I have a bacon beer cheese bread bowl recipe I make sometimes, which we can post a link to. But I substituted some things like the bacon. I did corned beef instead, and so I sauteed that up with the sauerkraut, so it'd be kind of almost like bacon bit sort of the. And then I put that in there, and I also did more Swiss than cheddar, so it'd be Swissier, like a Reuben. And I just added Thousand Island to the cheese.
Chris.
Okay, now, but we got a bit of a spread here,
yeah,
though.
So be advised, if you want to do this, I would recommend using a fresh loaf. This is on a whim, okay? This is last minute stuff, so I used a loaf I shouldn't have, and something terrible happened. So it's no longer a bread bowl.
I'm having a f***ed up loaf, just so you know where it went.
Yeah, it's 1:20 in the morning.
Yeah.
On Thursday. We went and did other stuff today.
Yeah, so anyways, the bread bowl didn't work out.
Sorry.
So the cheese was everywhere, so I scooped it in Crocs.
Crocs.
Okay.
But each of us have a little piece of the remaining bread bowl. That's what the cheesy thing is.
Got it.
So this wasn't the intended, because frankly, this looks kind of fancy.
Thank you. I tried to.
It does look
make
quite fancy.
Look nice.
I love Unreal Toast beer cheese bread bowl, baby. Love it.
Did you get goop?
Pretty hot.
I'm not gooping onto the pretzel.
Yeah, the pretzels are pretty hard to goop.
Honestly, it'd be the first time I've ever said this. But I think the Thousand Island might ruin this.
It's a little too Swissy. I put more Swiss than cheddar.
Maybe that's what it is.
The recipe calls for even amounts, but I was like, oh well, it's Reuben, so it needs more Swiss cheese than cheddar. But I think that made it worse.
Focusing on our scoreboard, I guess.
Okay, yeah.
What we got?
I was hoping that was going to make a better noise. Yeah, because we start with texture here.
Well,
I feel like there's just too many conflicting flavors. The Thousand Island versus there's whole grain mustard and Worcestershire in the beer cheese.
oh god.
As well as beer.
And that remains in this.
Oh yeah. Yeah, all that stuff's still in there.
Good god.
It's maybe we could have taken the mustard out or something. It's almost good, but it's not really good.
I think the worst thing about it is knowing how it usually tastes. Not to sound harsh, but a massive disappointment when compared. But that's not what we're here for.
I feel like it's having an identity crisis.
You know, it's so many flavors,
It doesn't know what it is.
and it's really greasy looking.
Okay, so we got texture.
Do we? Texture wise, again, it tastes like already chewed Reuben on unchewed bread.
Yeah, I don't think it textures.
It's like an Arby.
Yeah.
Arby's
it's like
Super
chicken
Reuben.
salad.
Arby Reuben salad. That's what it is.
Yeah.
Texture of
Arby's Reuben salad with beer cheese.
This does, having said Arby's, it does kind of feel like something that would be like a limited time fast food restaurant.
On some roast
Yeah.
beef, baby.
One that all you gotta do is make people watching the ad go,
Gross.
Okay, we got ingredients, which
Right.
I'll be honest, I already knew going into this. I knew going into this one was going to be a little controversial.
Yeah.
Not to peel back the curtain too much, but
Ingredients.
we got some of the ingredients,
Yeah.
Not all of them.
but we don't have
Baby.
all of the ingredients.
No rye bread.
It's true.
What if you had a big old loaf of rye bread?
That's what I wanted to do. Like, if we were gonna do this one tomorrow, I was gonna go get like rye flour and like bake a loaf of bread.
Oh, so ingredients. I'm gonna say ingredients, yes, right? I'm trying to look back.
Yes,
'cause
yes.
I think we gave the egg roll yes. And
Yeah,
there wasn't
I
any
think
rye in
There wasn't
that.
any rye in that, so yeah.
So we gotta stick to our
give him the
standards. You know?
nod.
Does this have the Reuben flavor profile? You think?
No. Yeah, it does, but it's like mixed in with a bunch of other flavors, so it's
Yeah.
So
You have
it's
to-
fighting.
It's like hidden in there.
yeah. You really gotta look for it.
It really does taste like just like the two things mashed together.
Mm-hmm. Just like one on top of the other. Ugh.
Yeah.
Well done, though. You damn sure did it. Put two things that don't belong together. You played God. Flavor profile. No!
I said no.
Tastes.
It's got it, but it's
No.
you know.
And like, the up part is I feel like the reason taste no is because I know what beer cheese tastes like. I know what Reuben's tastes like. And I would totally dip a Reuben in beer cheese and eat it.
Yeah,
I
I,
wanna
was
write, like-
thinking the same thing. Like, I feel like if you dipped a Reuben in beer cheese,
It'd be
Pretty good.
it would be better than
But I feel like the two need to be separate. I guess. Something about the baking process. And it
Yeah.
doesn't even look very appetizing. I know I've said that already, but like, it's just something about it didn't.
You really hate how this looks, huh?
I'm just super disappointed, I guess. I love beer cheese.
On paper,
Kind of
it's-
excited when we saw this come out, and I was like, this is going to be really good.
I thought it was gonna be better than it is, honestly.
On paper,
sad.
it sounds great.
I'm sad. These don't usually make me sad, but this is bad number 2, dude.
This is a sad one.
Oh, God. Do you think this is our life now? That we're just going to eat bad ones now? Is it just bad ones from here on out?
If so, if so, it's Diggle's fault.
Yeah, Diggle it up.
Stupid fucking Diggle. So okay, this feels like an upset, you know.
Yeah, dude, this is a... Whew. I stayed up for this.
Yeah.
Do you have any final thoughts?
No. That is my final thought, in quotations. And now, we gotta hand wash all these dishes, because our dishwasher's broke.
Yeah, that's a bummer. Forgot our dishwasher was broken.
Everything about this beer cheese.
Ugh.
Anyway,
Alright, so I guess
from all of us here to all of you there, no. Didn't ruin.
no, yeah. It didn't. The beer cheese? Oh, that and it looks like a teardrop. How fitting.
So yeah, this is with a heavy, heavy heart, I report to you watching that this is another It Reuben failure.
We're
Honestly,
on a bit of a losing streak here.
the last one was funny. This one hurt. This is not a funny one.
This one's not a funny one. This one was
We're
sad.
upset.
And like,
Wow. Diggle. Really?
this is on you, God.
Yeah, Diggle, what the f?
What the f?
This is your legacy. Uh-oh.
What?
That little red circle's gone. On the...
Oh yeah, cards pull. When did that happen?
I don't know. I just noticed it.
I feel like I was just looking at it and it was fine.
Yeah, so we wrapped it up somewhere.
This is even worse. F you, Diggle.
Damn it, man!
Fucking
Now is it gonna be on like camera audience? So
yeah.
like,
Now we're just.
God, but our whole lives are falling apart because of Diggle and his baby food. Jesus Christ! Focusing on like our review board. Oh God,
That's real nice.
you dropped pretzels on Rook.
You threw a bunch of pretzels at the cat.
Rook looks so upset.
Okay. I apologize for her. What were you saying?
Here we are bringing exclusive Reuben episodes to you at home in your pajamas.
First look on our Patreon. Subscribe to our Patreon if you want to.
We're putting out a calendar this year.
Mm-hmm.
Let's do that.
We're gonna get naked.
Yeah, let's get naked.
Now I want to like make Reubens and make beer cheese.
Me too.
I still kind of think that would work.
We should do a follow-up.
Yeah.